Hi friends, this topic is tonsillitis and homeopathic therapeutics. Watch until end for the therapeutics of the homeopathy and also keep supporting for all the time. Tonsillitis, it is the inflammation or the infection of the tonsils is called tonsillitis. Tonsils are the protective lymph glands that are situated on both sides of the throat. These tonsils helps in the protective mechanism of the body. See, in the normal images, the tonsils are not inflamed. In the inflamed tonsils, the tonsils are fought with bacteria and virus as soon as enters into the body. When coming to the normal anatomy, tonsils are pink in color, as similar to the surrounding tissues and about the same in size, both are. The tonsils look same as oral cavity looks. When some bacteria or virus enters through the oral cavity, our protective lymph glands will fight against the bacteria. In that time, the tonsils get inflamed and get red and swollen and develops the pus. After formation of the pus, the pus exudates as a discharge. In case of the chronic and recurrent infections, the tonsils become swollen for a period of time and the both tonsils may get each other. Tonsillitis is classified into two types, acute tonsillitis and chronic tonsillitis. In acute tonsillitis, there are, if tonsils are inflamed as a part of the generalized infection of the oropharyngeal mucosa, it is called as scleral tonsillitis. Where another tonsillitis is follicular tonsillitis. After the formation of the follicular tonsillitis, the membranous tonsillitis will be formed. From the follicular tonsillitis, the pus releases and exudates from the crypts. Crypts means the pockets may form the coliases to form a membrane over the surface of the tonsil, gives rise to a clinical condition called membranous tonsillitis. When the tonsil is uniformly congested and swollen, it is called acute parenchymatous tonsillitis. In this acute parenchymatous tonsillitis, remember the word congested. The signs are red and swollen tonsils, white spots on the tonsils, and enlarged lymph nodes in the neck region, foul breath, cough, and running nose. These are the symptoms, common general symptoms for the tonsillitis, but each symptoms will help in the homeopathic treatment in peculiar symptom for collecting the symptom remedy. Soreness of throat, difficult in swallowing and painful swallowing of food and drinks, pain, discomfort while swallowing the saliva, change of voice, pain in the ears, headache, malaise, tiredness. If you are in OPD, 6 to 8 patients came to your OPD with tonsillitis. A simple remedy cannot be suitable for all 6 to 8 patients with tonsillitis. A different simulum remedy should be indicated for their tonsillitis. For this, Beats for Homeo made a simple mnemonic to remember a certain group of remedies to cure the tonsillitis. Just remember the words B, B, C and R replaced with H and M, P, P and L. Here B, B, C are not Boger Bonninghausen characteristics repertory. It means B for belladonna, B for beretacarp, C for calcarecarp and H for heparsulf and Materia medica purpura, Merxol, P for phosphorus and P for sorinum and L for laxis. The doctor examining the first person to open the mouth. The first person features are in acute tonsillitis mainly red inflamed large tonsils, dry throat attended with fever, swallowing food is difficult and the sensation is constriction sensation. These are mainly in belladonna symptoms. Now the second person middle goal having with smarting or stinging pain and empty swallowing worsens the pain, burning sensation in throat and has tendency to catch the cold easily. The third person in calcarecarp mainly for chronic tonsillitis, tendency to catch the cold easily with slight change in weather, and sensitive throat and cold settles in the throat easily, and pain radiates to the ear, and there is a stitching pain in the throat. And H for yourself, sensation of fish bone in throat with quinsy and stitching pain in throat. Pain radiates from throat to ear, and pain in swallowing, hoarseness of voice. H cup yellow mucus. In Merksol, marked burning and smarting pain in throat, excessive salivation, constant inclination to swallow, and white deposits and tonsils, foul odor from mouth, and pain radiates throat to ear. When coming to the phosphorus, it is best suitable for the tall, slender persons with sanguine temperament and thirsty for every cold water, burning sensation in throat, hoarseness and aphonia, worse by evening, and lying on left side. Sorinum is well indicated in their tonsillitis with greatly swollen, difficult, painful swallowing, profuse offensive saliva, tough mucus in throat, and must have continually eradicates tendency to quinsy, change of weather, better by heat. Laxis is a left-sided remedy. Throat sore worse at left side, pain swallowing in liquids, dry intensely swallowing externally and internally, very painful, worse slight pressure, touch even more annoying, trouble on left side. Thank you for watching. Please share this video to your friends and classmates and subscribe. Thank you.